Let's see this question. A small block of mass m slides down from the top of a frictionless inclined surface while the inclined plane is moving towards left with a constant acceleration a0. So here block is given and it is placed on the smooth surface, and this wedge is moving towards left with an acceleration a0 is given. The angle between the inclined plane and the ground is theta. Here angle is given theta, and its base length is L. Base length is also given L. Assuming that initially the small block is at the top of the inclined plane, the time it takes to reach the lowest point of the inclined plane is. So he is asking that how much time it is, how much time it will take, how much time it will take to reach the block from the top point to the lowest point. So we will see here how to solve. For example, here just try to understand, on the inclined plane the block is placed like this. So here it is a moving frame. The body, the wedge is moving left or accelerating left with an acceleration a0. So for that, what I am considering is, just imagine I am observing from the wedge point of view. So when I am observing the wedge point of view, with respect to this observer, wedge is at rest. When we are considering the wedge is assumed to be at rest, so on the small block m there will be some pseudo force. So pseudo force will act opposite to the direction of the motion of the wedge. So pseudo force will be in this direction. So we know how to calculate the pseudo force. Pseudo force is nothing but the product of the mass of the body and acceleration of the wedge. Acceleration of the wedge is a0. So it is a0 here. So on the block small m, so pseudo force m a0 is acting towards right. Why? Because the wedge is accelerating towards left, right? And pseudo force be towards right. For example, here theta is given. So here it will be theta. If you resolve two components, so in this direction ma cos ma0 cos theta will be there, and in this direction ma0 sin theta will be there. And with that, the gravity is also acting in this direction mg. We know that one, it is theta. So here it will be theta. So in this direction mg cos theta will be there, and in this direction mg sin theta. So if you see on the block small m, if I draw like this here, on the block small m, in this direction mg sin theta is acting, and in this direction ma0 cos theta is acting, and he is asking the time taken to slide down. So it is moving down, so it is accelerating downward. So with an acceleration, for example, let it be a. So I will write from this I will write ma is equal to mg sin theta minus ma0 cos theta. So I will write here m get cancelled. So a is equal to g sin theta minus a0 cos theta. So I got acceleration, and if I know acceleration, so I want to calculate the time. So in order to calculate the time, I will apply second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at square. So S is nothing but the displacement, how much it is displaced. So here triangle is given. This is theta and this is L is given. This one is hypotenuse. We know cos theta is equal to what is cos theta? Base upon hypotenuse. So H is equal to L by cos theta. So H is nothing but the displacement here. So I will write S. So L by cos theta is equal to initially 0. So 0 plus half A. How much acceleration? G sin theta minus a0 cos theta into t square. So here L cos theta, here 2 is there, here it will go this side. So 2L by cos theta, which is equal to G sin theta minus a0 cos theta into t square. So again 2L is equal to G sin theta cos theta minus a0 cos theta square cos square theta into t square. So here t square you have to write t square. So here t square can be written as 2L by G sin theta cos theta minus a0 cos square theta. So this is the general equation. So we will write t can be written as 2L upon G sin theta cos theta minus a naught cos theta under root. So again, if you want to modify, you can modify t is equal to 2l upon g sin theta cos theta is there. Sin theta cos theta means sin 2 theta by 2. So I will write g sin 2 theta by 2 minus a naught cos theta is there. What is cos theta? We can write a naught cos theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 under root. So it can be written as t is equal to here 2 is there. I will take LCM and I will send top. So it will be 4L upon g sin 2 theta minus a naught 1 plus cos 2 theta. I will write here again g sin 2 theta minus a naught 1 plus cos 2 theta under root. So this will be the answer. I hope you understood, right? Thank you.